Switching from realme to iPhone is exciting, but transferring data can seem tricky. Don't worry, in this video, we'll show you the easiest and safest ways to move your contacts, photos, messages, and more to your new iPhone. Let's get started. Method 1. Switch from realme to iPhone using Move to iOS app. On your iPhone, go to Apps and Data and select Move Data from Android. On your realme, open Move to iOS. Tap Continue and enter the code from your iPhone. Choose the types of data you want to transfer, such as contacts, messages, and photos. Tap Next to start the transfer. Keep both devices close and connected to Wi-Fi. Wait until the process is complete, then finish the iPhone setup. Method 2. Transfer data from realme to iPhone with Transfer for Mobile. If your iPhone is already set up or you want a more flexible way to transfer data, Mobican Transfer for Mobile, available for both Windows and Mac, is a great choice. Step 1. Open Mobican Transfer for Mobile. Install it on your computer and connect both phones via USB. Enable USB debugging on your realme and tap Trust this computer on your iPhone. Step 2. Connect your devices. Once both devices are detected, make sure the realme phone is set as the source device. You can click Flip if needed. Step 3. Start the transfer. Select the data types you want to transfer, such as contacts, messages, or media files. Click Start Copy to begin the transfer. Wait until the process is completed. Method 3. Sync data from realme to iPhone with Google Drive. On your realme, open Google Drive and sign in. Tap Plus and choose Upload, or go to Settings Backup to back up data. On your iPhone, sign into Google Drive, download your files, and save or open them with compatible apps. Method 4. Copy files from realme to iPhone manually via USB. Connect your realme, enable File Transfer MeTP, and copy files to your computer. Connect your iPhone, open iTunes or Finder, and drag the files into the iPhone storage. Eject both devices after the transfer.